Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Thursday, 12th June 2025, Nifty index opened on a flattish note around 25,130, and buying interest was seen from the opening tick itself as the index inched higher, gradually crossing the 25,200 mark till midday. However, in the latter part of the session, some profit booking was seen from higher levels, though the index managed to hold above 25,100, indicating that bulls are still defending key support levels. It formed a doji sort of a candle on the daily frame, reflecting a tug-of-war between bulls and bears, but continues its sequence of higher highs of the last 6 trading sessions. India VIX was down by around 2.5% to 16.7 levels. Nifty put-call ratio remained unchanged at 0.97. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,600 to 25,500 levels, while immediate range is in between 24,900 to 25,400 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 446 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 1,584 crores. FII's index long-short ratio is hovering near 20%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest now Nifty has to hold above 25,100 for an up move towards 25,400, while support can be seen at 25,000 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 56,500 for the next up move towards 57,000, while support can be seen at 56,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in BPCL, Biocon, Infosys, Wipro, Tech M, Vedanta and Laurus Labs, while some weakness continues in Adani Total Gas, MCX, Kalyan Jewellers, Adani Green Energy, Naukri and Bank of Baroda. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.